So I'm going to make a coaster using these moulds. I've recently got these 3 deep moulds. So what I've got is I've got a bit of resin and I've put in some pink mica powder. So I'm just going to mix that up. Now this is just some leftover resin that I just had from another project, so that's why I just thought I'm just going to do this coaster. So this might not actually be enough, but I actually thought I might do it in 2 layers. So I'm just mixing that mica powder up. And it's a nice pearlescent pink. Make sure that powder's all nicely mixed up. And I think I'll just use this middle one here. Literally just going to pour that in. Blow out any bubbles. And whilst we wait for more bubbles to rise, I'm just going to get out some gold leaf. So this is a recent purchase that I got. It was a set of 3 gold leaves in like little tubs. And I'm literally going to drop some of these into this resin. Just going to unstick my gloves with a wipe. I don't want to completely stick to the leaf. I'm just cleaning up my gloves. Because you know this stuff goes everywhere. Actually, I'm going to get some tweezers. There you go, I've got some tweezers. I'm literally going to break it up and then just drop it in. Just randomly. So there's a close-up of it so you can see. We're going to let that set. Okay, it's time to demould this coaster. It's been 24 hours, so let's get it out. But so far it looks great from what I can see. There it is. I thought the underside would have been better. Looks like it's warped a little bit. Don't know what's happened there. But the top side looks great. The bottom side, all the pink mica has sunk to the bottom, and then the foil you can see from the top. But otherwise, I'm happy with how that's come out. You could, like I do in my previous projects, paint the sides, but I quite like the sides being quite see-through because you can see the foil. So this was just a quick video on doing this round pink coaster with the gold leaf. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.